All right, and what we've done is we've managed to get 5 different coloured hoops: yellow, green, red, blue and purple, and a multicoloured one in the middle, but you can use anything you want, okay? And then what we've done is we've gone and collected 5 different colours of each and placed them in the middle. Do you want to give us an example, Liz, of some of the things we've got?
So we have one of my bunnies.
This is purple.
Blue.
What is it? A ball.
Green chalk. Yellow rake. You could have anything.
Anything you want.
Red cone.
Okay, so we've just mixed it all up. There's 5 different colours, 5 different objects for each colour. And the idea is when I shout Lost Aliens, Wonder Woman is going to rescue those aliens, which are in the middle, and send them home to the right colour. She's only allowed to pick up one piece of alien at a time. Okay, and I'm going to give you 20 seconds to see how many you can get. Okay, all right, you can play this a one person, or if you've got a few of you can play that as well. All right, after 3 then, guys. 3, 2, 1. Lost aliens. She's gone for purple first, and another purple. There's 2, and another purple. You can tell it's her favourite colour. Okay, where's she going next? Oh, she's rescuing the blue planet. She's got 10 seconds left. Oh, there's a red. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, and then what we would do is we'd count them up. Okay, and then we'd go again and see if we can beat our record. Have fun, guys. Say bye, Wonder Woman.
Bye.
Do you want to say bye, Wills?
Bye.
Bye.